Is Wegovy the weight loss solution you've been looking for? Finally, there's medical help for weight control that treats obesity like the disease that it is rather than a simple behavioral problem. It's about time, right? Hey folks, I'm Dr. Jeff Williams and I'm the board certified orthopedic specialist here at Creekstone Integrated Medical, and I want to talk to you a little bit about one of the biggest medical breakthroughs in recent history, especially when we're talking about obesity. Now, are you tired of the cycle of losing weight and gaining it all back? Well, you're not alone. I battle with the same issues. Many people struggle with weight gain and weight loss, and for some traditional methods like diet and exercise, they simply don't work long term, and if they do, like I said, it's not long term, it's for a limited amount of time before we gain it right back. But there's hope. A new weight loss medication called Wegovy, also known as semaglutide. It's been making waves in the medical community as a game-changing treatment for obesity. In this video, we're going to explore just a little bit about Wegovy and how it can help you achieve sustainable weight loss. Now, what is Wegovy exactly? Well, it's a medicine that you take once a week to help you lose weight. As mentioned, it's also known as semaglutide. You may be familiar with the name Ozempic. You see the commercials, Ozempic, yeah. Anyways, diabetics have been using it for years now. So Wegovy is the same medication as Ozempic, only in a different dosage, so they can call it a different name. So it's been used and tested for a while now, which is great news for those concerned about potential dangers of starting on a brand new medication. Now, how does Wegovy work exactly? Well, it works like a hormone that your body makes that tells your brain, hey, you're full, stop eating. And by taking Wegovy, you typically just don't feel as hungry as you normally would, and you feel full faster when you eat. It also slows down the emptying of the stomach, which can help you to reduce the calorie intake. And all of this together means you're going to eat less and lose weight since your calorie intake is decreased. This usually leads to sustainable weight loss. Now, Wegovy is a safe medicine that has been tested, like we've mentioned. It's been approved by the FDA, which means it's been carefully checked to make sure it's safe and effective. In clinical trials, people who took Wegovy lost more weight than people who didn't take it. They lost an average of 15% of their starting body weight, which that's a lot. That's like losing 30 pounds if you weigh 200. Now, people who didn't take Wegovy only lost about 2.4% of their starting weight. Big difference. Wegovy is a convenient medicine to take. You take it once a week as an injection. It's just a subcutaneous, it doesn't even hurt. I'm doing it myself. You can do it at home, which means you don't have to go to the doctor's office every time. My 15-year-old gave it to me last time. She was awesome. It's important to take it as your doctor tells you to take it and not to skip any doses. If you miss a dose, it just doesn't work as well. Now, taking Wegovy has lots of long-term benefits. Let's talk about effectiveness, okay? Wegovy has been shown to be significantly more effective than traditional weight loss methods like diet and exercise alone. It can help you lose weight and keep it off in a sustainable way. Like we mentioned, Wegovy is safe. It's FDA approved and has undergone rigorous clinical trials to ensure its safety and effectiveness. Also, Wegovy is pretty convenient. You just do it once a week, and it can be self-administered at home or by your 15-year-old daughter. And this makes it a very convenient option for people with busy schedules. Also, Wegovy improves health. Obviously, losing weight with Wegovy can improve your overall health by leaps and bounds by reducing your risk of obesity-related diseases like diabetes, high blood pressure, and heart disease. Not to mention how losing weight improves painful joints and low back pain, all that stuff. When your body's carrying around all that extra weight, it hurts. Now, how do you get started with Wegovy? Well, if you are a medical patient right here at Creekstone Integrated Medical, all you got to do is just call 806-355-3000 to get an appointment, talk with our nurse practitioner about Wegovy. If appropriate and if medically necessary, Wegovy can be prescribed during that appointment. If you're not a patient of Creekstone's and you're interested in taking Wegovy, talk to your doctor first. They'll be able to tell you if it's right for you. Wegovy isn't for everyone. It's prescribed for those patients who are classified as overweight or obese, which our nurse practitioner here at Creekstone can help you determine. Wegovy is a medicine that can help you lose weight and keep it off. It works by making you feel less hungry, full faster when you eat, and it moves the food through your system a lot slower. It's safe, convenient, and it can make you a healthier person. Now, if we can help you, why don't you call us at 806-355-3000. Let's get you on our schedule for your medical checkup and for your appointment. If you're watching on social media or YouTube, share, subscribe, like, comment. It helps us reach those folks who really need some solid and dependable information. Again, I'm Dr. Jeff Williams. Thank you for watching. We'll see you right here again next week.